Hey 6th graders, tonight's lesson is 2, decimal point 6, decimal point 1, and 2. We're adding and subtracting decimals. I can add decimals, subtract decimals. When adding or subtracting decimals, you basically follow the same steps. First, make sure that when you rewrite the problem vertically, that you line up the decimal points. As you can see, they are in red. Second, you want to add any zeros into different place values so that the digits have the same number of place values. The third step is add or subtract just like you would with whole numbers. Lastly, place the decimal point in the final answer and place a 0 in the ones place when there are no ones. So for example, we have 17 and 8 tenths plus 1 and 78 hundredths plus 0 and 178 thousandths. So the first thing I've done is write the problems vertically. Next, I want to add in zeros to make the place values equal. So I want to start at the smallest place value, which happens to be the thousandths, and I get a value of 8. And 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1. 9, 10, 17. Add that decimal point. $19 and 758 thousandths. Find the sum for both equations. When you're finished, press play to check your work. So again, we follow the same steps when subtracting decimals. So again, we want to line up the decimal place values. See, 15 didn't have a decimal, so I need to add that in as well as a 0 in the tenths place. So I can go ahead and start subtracting. And 15 minus 1 and 5 tenths is 13 and 5 tenths. Again, find the difference in these equations. When you're ready to check your work, press play. We can also add and subtract decimals when it comes to problem solving. Press pause, complete these 2 word problems, and then press play when you're ready to check your work. Remember to line up those decimals. Tonight's lesson was adding and subtracting decimals. I can add decimals and I can subtract decimals. Although this video was short, it's loaded with information. Please review anything that you need to. Otherwise, head to schoology.com and take the quiz. See you!